Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to install a Ring Chime Pro. This will be a very easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, this is the Ring Chime Pro. Now for the record, this is the second generation Ring Chime Pro. And I'm gonna put that down for a second. This is the box that it came in. As you can see, it is a Ring Chime Pro, and it is a Wi-Fi extender and chime for Ring devices. Okay, so the installation process is easy. So I'm going to show you how to install it, but then I'm going to tell you about my experience installing it, and what I liked about the installation and so forth, and what you can sort of imagine will happen. So before you install it, I do recommend that you scan the code on the back of the product when you're setting it up. So start setting it up in your Ring app, and then when you're doing the setup process, it's going to tell you at one point to plug it in, because there's going to be a code on the back to set it up and a QR code on the back that you can scan to set it up. And if you plug it in, then you're going to have to unplug it to get the QR code. So start setting it up in your Ring app, scan the QR code, and then it's going to tell you to plug it in. So I'm going to plug it in. As you can see, it goes on the up. If your plugs are installed in this way, which the majority are that I've seen in my lifetime, it's going to go upward. So it goes on the top portion of the plug. You plug it in just like that, as you can see right over here. And you can see that the ring illuminates over here. That light illuminates over there. Now, when I plugged mine, and that's it for the installation, but let me tell you about what happened. When I plugged mine in, it started to power up. I followed the installation process, and then it did an update. I believe it was a firmware update. It took a few minutes, and it restarted. And the cool thing about it was, when it was actually updating the firmware, I was still able to do certain things with it. I was still able to use certain features, right? But then when it finished updating the firmware, by the time I had set certain features that had finished updating the firmware, I could set additional features. It only took me 3 minutes to get it set up, maybe another 5 minutes to let it update and restart and choose my options. And then it started to work, and you're going to see a light illuminate. So I was going to say, one of the coolest features, and I'm going to do a separate review video of this, but once you install it, you'll know that it's working properly based on the light color here, whether it's solid or not, and based on this illumination under here. So because this is the second generation, it does have this nice bright LED light. Like, you can see how bright this is. It is great because it serves as a night light. If you have somewhere where you are using a night light, then this takes the place of the night light, and it takes the place of a doorbell. Very simple and straightforward. In addition, when you see this blue light illuminate right here, you know you're good to go. When it's a solid blue light like that, as far as I'm concerned, as far as I know, you're good to go. Yeah, so I installed mine a few days ago, and the installation process was simple, but I really wanted to make this video to show you how to do it, because I know sometimes you want to look at how to do it first. Even if it's simple, you want to see what it looks like. So once it's updated, it's gonna, it's gonna end up like this. This means you're good to go. Installing it is simple. You plug it in, but then it's gonna update. You set your preferences. You can choose the night light on or off, and when you see that blue light illuminated like that, you're good to go. And that's it. That is how to install a Ring Chime Pro. This has been an easy tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.